I normally don't do videos on LEDs, but these have to be some of the nicest LEDs that I've seen in value and just in the color tone of them. It's at 12 volts right now. You get a bag of 500 of them, but they are just so nice. They're a nice orange. I would call these orange over a yellow. Let me get the lights. See the lights too? They're not blinding. Nice, pleasant color. There they look super orange. Put the light back on. Maybe there's another way I can do this. It's a nice value. That right there looks like they're burned out, but they're not. That value is really pretty crisp. Just a nice, really nice LED. 3mm, 12 volts. I don't see a lot of these in our inventory. The 12 volts. Could be good for a vehicle, a car, putting a switch, security alarm, something. Anywho, I think you're going to like these.